Hi there, mushroom pickers. It's Thursday. Bought a set of these, that size, and I gotta make a thing for them to go on. We're playing play your cards right tonight. The only factory edge is this one, so you should work off that one, as you well know. What is this stuff? Who the hell wants to be a woodworker? A carpenter. Right, there you are. I turned around again and the thing's good. Anyway, the battery's left on that camera. It's doing this in. We worked this out to take 2 cards, 5 long, 2 high. We scribed it with a scriber. We've now decided how the hell are we going to cut this stuff. We all know we could sit here doing nothing all day. I do apologise, carpenters. I'm going to have to cut it with this. Old faithful Mr. Angle grinder. So this stuff kicks up dust like there's no tomorrow. So I might have to do a little bit of health and safety on you. As everybody knows, I'm already dead. You all seen an image of me through the modern technology they got today. I died fucking years ago. Same time as Paul McCartney. So, look down the line. I don't use very often, you see. We're ready there. We're now going to switch on these extractors. It's always a long walk, isn't it? Open the doors and let me out. I'm sorry, carpenters around the world. I'm very sorry, but you know, some things you just gotta do, like a man gotta do. With another scriber, because that one's on the floor, I will scribe a line. But I gotta fix this to that. Right, we want that on there. Mr. Joker. Right, there's your 2 marks. We're going to drill an hole in there. So we need another hole, we do. 2 holes is plenty. It's not exactly holding up. It's not holding up a bridge. Thing is, I'm looking for shortcuts. I always look for shortcuts. I don't want to be out here for hours and hours fucking about with this. So I tend to look for shortcuts. And I'm sure I just found one. Let me drill an hole first and I'll tell you better. 2 seconds. I'm behind you. Don't turn around. I drove 4 holes in there. That one should go up the top. It does. That one should go down the bottom. It does. So I was thinking of cheating because, as I said, I'm that sort of man. If it goes wrong, we can always use a nut and bolt, can't we? About 10 years ago, I went to an auction and bought these. Because nobody else knew what they was. We knows what they are, don't we? I don't know if that Conti shitty bolt behind you is strong enough to take a rivet, but it does go through, so there's a possibility it might just catch it. Snap, you bastard. I'm happy with that. Well, they look pretty good. Super glue in the back into real hard stuff. So that'll soak in, it'll turn up very rigid very quickly by the look of it. So that's going to go like that. And that's going to go now like that. Excuse me, folks. I'm always getting in your way, you know. It's a quick release camera mount, which we want to put on there, just like that. That's not going to fit under there. I didn't want to drill all the way through and re-drill it halfway, so that way. Don't forget, don't copy this at home. I don't want to. This is the thing will come out of there, so I'm going to try and put this back in there. Look at that, look at that. Just had English breakfast. Eggs, fried bread, tomatoes. If I screw that back in there now, without stopping. Oh, come on, come on. You can't stop, you've got glue going on here. Yeah, I reckon you could probably tie a boat onto there. Smoky bacon. Wow. Where do they get pigs to smoke? Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna where that glue went in there, that's pretty sharp now. When the sun goes down, ba-la-boo, la-la-loo-chee dooch. And the broad walk over the sea.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you ever so much. Right. Right, my intentions was to get one of my tripods, get it together, let's get it together. What I was hoping to do is actually just fit that on there. There, see, and it just clicks in, you hear it clicking. Then we can swing it around where we want it, lock it off. Because you've stayed to the very end of the video, not a lot of people do. And then we'll put simple as that. Meaning you've stayed to the end, we're going to give you a chance. Oh, that's good enough, isn't it? Right, people who watch to the end, you get a chance to go across the board. If you do it, put in the comments, I did it, and I'll send you a prezi. Okay, I'll send you a present. So you turn over the first one. 8. Right, come on then. Higher or lower than an 8? It was lower. How many had it right? Higher than a 5 or lower than a 5? Well done again. Higher than a 6 or lower than a 6? Okay, now. Higher than a 4? Better be higher than a 4, surely. Jesus Christ, look at that. Now you turn this card over and you asked if you want to change it or do you want to leave it. If you say change it, I'll put another card there, which is actually free. Higher and lower than a 3. How many people got that right? Higher than a 2? Jesus Christ almighty. Higher than a 3? Still not a very good card. Higher or lower than an 8? What? Okay. Write in the comments if you got them all right, like I did. And if you got them all right, we'll give you a giveaway. I'll leave the address down below.